What, you can't reach it? Come on. Come on. This is Cailyn. This is August 30th, 2012. She's 4 months and 16 days old. And she's in her spider. Or her walker. Or mobile play structure. I'm not sure what it's called. Oh, and she's getting tired. Cailyn, how are you? Wait. What about these? What about the rings? Yeah, they love the rings. They're locked together. Watch this. Easy. Easy, huh? Yeah, they're still here, they're still here. Don't freak out. You got them. But here, look, this one's better. Grab the purple one. The purple one right there. Grab it. Grab it. Hey. This one. Grab the purple one. All right. Say goodbye. What are you going to grab? Oh, she's so sad. Poor Cailyn, so sad. She can't stop crying. Let's just give her a kiss. What'd she think?